can't bother, because they want to treat me frequency when I talk good. I tell you, you ever talk, it's just like when I talk, because when I talk, I look pound the brother, and I be a you see it like right now. Me can't bother with the dog, with the man, bro. And the man, you there upon good meditation, and man just talk something. Shalam, like man, yo, me can't bother with it, bro. That's why I read comment, I don't even look pound, bro. I never look at me, I'm making no shit. I want to make him man, Mr. say different thing and people scream record. I want to go outside, I'm not chatting to them, no brother. If I don't go with them, I'm going to push the wall. Because I'm not showing love. More time me there and I'm good. Me attack on some good thing. Shalam, I have a cat. My cat died. I have beef. And them they best I fuck with me can tell you. So shit that me never want to see them, they can't talk, they're sitting there. Moving a post. A bad man, the dog. I'm telling you, and got somebody with them sitting there, bro. Be a fuck, you don't come over your country. Me don't want them crowd the farm. That's why I van read it. I come and my mother read it, I go read them and slap on the 6. Don't worry about me, I see them. Me nah see them. If I don't talk something, we go over here, it I go pin. I say, other than that, I be a fucking go in the comment section. And yo, I need to start the people and we see me they are good. Humble. They want me cuss. Yo, I think I want a Sunday today. A Sunday. You know if you have blood clot, look. You see on Sundays, and only girl them will sell crutches we come down and go bathe and clean up themselves and you know if you come down to clot, you know if you go come down and find something to do and wash out on the drawers them and wash out on the carpet and wash up on the curtain and cobweb down on the place, man. And wash out on the mattress, put the mattress for sun and this, on the nurse and on the two high good. I go farm and find some seed and plant. And find something to do with God there, man. I don't know I got church. I don't bomb out there find where you get glass. Wash on the ear and clean out the wax out on the ears and clean out the shit them out on the fingernail, the human, them and there. And on the ear, especially on the ear, I would take off the wig. Sanitize on the ear first. I don't know what I'm going to use and wash, you know, try to see if you can get back on the scalp on the edges, you know, to up on eye glass, nah, nothing to do with life. Yeah, man, clean up and get ready for next week, man, you know, bomba clot. Just like them a fish takaya. If you got them fish takaya, with dirty clothes and dirty drawers, you sit you down. That they no beard, and they do a sweet suit. And they no beard, they never see them, they no beard and put on makeup and filter. What dirty jars and dirty shoes and where they get time quickly nasty. At one place then what dirty something you see. When you see them do Rosalie, if you got me I tell you the truth. That's why you know, if you garden yard, cause then no time, if you got enough of the yard, dirty, yeah, that's a blood clot, Shalam. Over big up JB. I say to me, I tell him in a youth. One to my brother, you know, say blame them turn a superstar. Well, I didn't turn celebrity. Yeah, I come down left for no. Where you ask me? When you ask the president and Jaden, and then put him up. With the blood clot, you ask me. No, no, put him up and I follow him and I like him. And he reach out me here. Me just say myself. Me just say, I know, me tell you no. You ask me, go ask them, me ain't telling you. And then if you ask out, me just say, reach out, and that me here. And that me here say, reach out. Me the old tweeties, you can go check you out and come back. Me don't check up on him. I touch me, I mean, I want to check up. I go find out something when me know a long time and I run from it. Do not hard me. I fucking want to go fuck up my life, you know. And my happiness, you know, I go take it back again. No. Hands to them put one in every family. I know me alone now. Let's talk about touch me, son, now, no family. No argue with me. Big up me go receive boot, man. Big up the whole like crank up rider them. Big up the whole like annually state rider them. Big up the whole like annually gang rider them. Big up the whole like Spanish town guru them. Shalam, you look like Bama. Unyeso. Unyeso. I would trouble the guru. Nobody no trouble me, man. A regular proceeding this, man. You know, seminar big up Waterhouse yet. Until Waterhouse tell me what I go on with one in the internet I say a jerk chicken with transmission. And then I come and say a Waterhouse like him I say me not too unless I want different Waterhouse in my talk about. So me want to know which Waterhouse in my talk about before me start big up Waterhouse. Cause me know Waterhouse man them a guru, you know. I mean hear him I say him a bad man, him a whole man them like him a say him run Waterhouse, one cup of shit. I want a transmission. Me seen there a jerk chicken with pan blood clot, they have him pan phone. No, nobody no get hard on Sunday, no. Nobody at all no come up on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday I one day where anything can go on. Nobody no come up on Sunday. They know it. Nobody no come up on Sunday. Nobody at all. For morning, blame them amount of people try to come up for morning. No, blame them say me nah come over there either. Then I shouldn't have play business. A Sunday. Yeah, man. General, you are few at New York City airport. What that mean? You are few. Me not understand that. You are few. What that mean? Is that video with fake with you and Shibada on live? No, sir, you know fake. A girl she send me a request. That's why I'm not too odd people. Send me a request and had Shibada. And me have to bunny mount. So you know fake, but I know me had him. You see it? He say, want me forward. I fly. Well, you have to make arrangements for that, you know. But that possible, man. Anything possible, man. You see, tables turn, you know. Remember one time, you know, the LG LMNOP family, we couldn't go perform because we have no transmission, you know. No. And they want to help, they want to come help, then get our transmission. So anyway with them, man, we welcome. And no shit in a plate, nothing can't tap you again. A matter of fact, a fire they want right now. The people they want Shalam to come blaze the fire right now. Because we are blood clot fire, we are fire, we are dash the fire. They know. We need to exaggerate. Yeah, but me a forward man. I only told me I have to go and plan. Because watch I know. Remember, say money can't go help me in the future. You know? I don't know much I want to know. That's why every morning, right now, I some cowpeas, me a stick for man. You know, me sure know. I want to go there and take on to the thing. I'm not chat here alone. We not talk about celebrity, we do the right thing. We do the right thing. More time you hear me a cussing because me a the right thing. See it here? All different type of peas me a show you. See it here looking at my bag. You see it? See it? All different type of peas. See them? See them here? I shell them and me a plant a peas. See on my finger there then turn dirt. We a plant peas from morning before sun come up. Cause you know, peas and beans. Be a different kind of bean and peas, man. See, who know? Who know? Say be a different kind of beans. There are different kind of shape, different beans. And me have one day that set again with some different beans in there. It have a balance and if you have food. Cow bean, see a man a call out 2 beans. And gungo and red bean and all different. Now if you have everywhere we go we take in the ground. Tomato saka. Pepper. And what do you want hog? Hey, want hog come them off hog. Hey. So nobody watch them, me tell you tell you no, nobody listen to his shit and I play them. I remember say Shalam, anything me I tell you no, me have to live it, fam. Me have to live it. Anything me I tell you no, me have to live it. Yeah, so me not excited for me. Yeah, dog, me get up my plan, me get it, me a them thing there. So it have to balance. I me I try, me no know better way to tell you no. And I go on food. Some pepper, some corn. You know, say some corn, I want to plant next. Yeah, that I want to run some corn. Well, you know, I want to run some corn in there, yeah. Grow on to the herbs. What kind of herbs? Shalam, is your natural skin that I filter. What kind of filter you talk about? And a bumbuckler filter. It's silent, I can't plant it. If me drop a new music soon. Yeah, but me want drop a video for the last song there first. Me want to run up a song first and then me drop a video. And so me not rush or drop no music like me, I no waste man. Me not in no competition with nobody. Not even nobody at all. When me feel comfortable, me drop my song them. Them I ask if you're single and you not answer. If you answer that for me, I look no girl on the app, bro. I don't want no internet girl on the app, bro. I don't want no girl with it on the internet, bro. No answer that question or that. No want no girl off the internet, bro. Be a cloud chaser girl on the internet, man. I don't answer them quick. I don't state them things on the internet. No look internet girl. I be a cloud chaser. Any girl, I see him like how she there ask every single. She every man where I try to ask them if they're single. I no look girl on the internet. So if you want to take it off, you can answer for me. And we are grow. We're not frightened for crutches in the youth. A long time out there, you know. Rose there in the comment section. A cloud chaser that. I say if you want to answer, you answer. I don't answer. So I don't look on it. You think I don't see it? I read about them. Sunday now, you go get if you come down, you know, you say one day you got to take me the earth. Go plant, me say, today I look blood clot, man. Go plant. Yeah, skip around the whole moral story and I go plant. Go pick out 2 seeds out of tomato and put power and look sauce and make it dry and go plant and pick out 2 pepper seeds. So you don't have to sell your thing. I go on and ask man if he's single every time you want something to eat. And you make man a man a target. Go plant your bumbo clad. Every day that's all the plan for do. How about that? Oh. Yeah, skip round me and show your bumbo clad. Gungo seed, red pea seed, all that. Ain't no drop, you know. A drop, you know. If you laugh, if you laugh, you go drop. Nobody laugh. Cause nobody drop. Nobody drop. You need to learn and grow. You not learn. You not learn, you know. You not go wait till the late. You see me used to wait till the late, you know. You think me never used to make them mistake. All the truth, say me they have sense when me young. So you know, say me catch up. And everybody can catch up on themselves, you know. And nowadays it's kind of rough. You see, it come down kind of rough, may I tell you. That's why I have to big up his soap family. Good morning, Sean. Yeah, man, come now go and clean up for Sunday and get ready for next week, man. I know one day you got to take me the earth, man. Hey, when the kids say, we're not trouble. I see somebody say prep your kids them for Monday. Listen how you say that. Listen how you say that. They're not trouble. I think I wouldn't have planned. I doubt if you people know how tomato grow. But that I want that for the future. Uno fuck up your generation still, you know. Leviathan forward. I say I talk about Leviathan forward. I say I talk about Leviathan forward. So me notice say from what day, you know. All the strange thing I go on and say I not come out yesterday, you know. But me notice say from what day, all of a sudden we start. Hey, move your... What's some of that? What up, Swole? It come like a... Attack, them attack. I misses them myself out.